Down and remove the stand. Remove this one here only here. Yeah. This is you use this.
What?
This for brake. Yeah. This no problem.
Yeah,
What?
just doing it 'cause I'm
Oh,
stuck.
which one you want?
This one.
Okay. Mga gar, may magpa-practice tayo ditong bisita. Nako po, first time na naman. Tulungan niya ako, bigyan niya ako ng mga vocabulary English yan.
Huwag kayo iiyak.
Tara. First day dito sa Daet. Si Bayaw, magpa-practice. Let's go! Here, sit down here.
Ano ba to?
Hindi, sige, sit down. Sige.
Ano ang senyo na tamimi kayo?
Down and remove the stand. Remove the stand. Like this. Okay, and key here. Wait, that's fine. And then when you start, just push the brake and then click here. Okay. That's it. Naubusan talaga ako ng English, mga gar. Ha? Remove this one here only here. Yeah. This is you use this for brake.
This one just.
Yeah. This no problem.
Yeah,
What?
just doing it 'cause I'm
Oh,
stuck.
which one you want?
This one.
Okay. And accelerate is only little like that. Like that. Okay. You control it. Yeah. You can do it. Turn there, no problem. Yeah. Go, straight. Mahirapan talaga mag-English. Ba't ayaw niya dun? Ayaw niya dun sa malayo?
Maybe you need more. Go.
You want go there? No problem. You can turn there. Yeah, go there. No problem. Di yan, sawa na lang yan. Nahihirapan ako magar. Paano ba't maubusan na naman kami ng English nito? So, yun ang first ano namin. So, magaling na si Bayaw. Oh, there and right here. Go.
Gago!
Over here. Putik, ang hirap pala magturo mga gar pag English, no?
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Pero kaya na ni Bayaw, oh. Oh, tignan mo, oh. Here. Okay, no problem. There. Kaya niya na makauwi ng ano. Kaya na. Ang lupit. Kaya na. Isang ano lang.
Tumatalon pa siya sa house.
Kaya niya na. Nung una nahihirapan lang siya mag-control nung...
Anong gamit niya? Anong number?
Wala. Automatic yan.
Tata dito!
Automatic yan.
2,000 years later.
Galing. Very good. Galing. Nice. So that's day 1 here in Daet. All right.